Understanding the phrase, head full of air. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, head full of air. So, if you've ever come across this expression and wondered what it's all about, you're in the right place. Let's start by dissecting the phrase, head full of air. At first glance, it might conjure images of someone with air instead of a brain in their skull. But fear not, it's not meant to be taken literally. This expression is used to describe a person who is perceived as lacking in intelligence, seriousness, or thoughtfulness. It's akin to saying someone is not very bright or is absent-minded. Understanding an idiom also means knowing when it's appropriate to use it. The phrase, head full of air, is typically employed in informal settings. It can be used humorously or critically, depending on the context and tone of the conversation. For example, if someone forgets something important repeatedly, a friend might tease them by saying, "What do you have in there? A head full of air." However, it's important to exercise caution, as the phrase can be considered offensive if used in a derogatory manner. Always consider your audience and the setting before using idiomatic expressions, especially those that can have negative connotations. To fully grasp the usage of head full of air, let's look at some examples. 1. In a light-hearted context. 2. I can't believe I forgot my own phone number. It seems like I've got a head full of air today. 3. In a critical observation. 4. He's not the best choice for the project leader. With his head full of air, we'll never meet our deadlines. 5. In self-deprecation. 6. I left my keys in the fridge again. I swear, I have a head full of air sometimes. And that wraps up our journey into the meaning and use of the phrase, head full of air. It's a colorful expression that adds a bit of spice to our language, illustrating the creative and humorous side of English. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Don't forget, language learning is a continuous adventure, and each new phrase or idiom is a step forward in that journey. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.